welcome to Always Alyssa. Hello everyone, how are you doing today? It's Alyssa. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. First of all, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm super excited for this video. I think it's going to be a very fun one. There's a lot of stuff I'm going to be discussing in today's video. Mainly good stuff, but there also could be some bad things. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be fun. Basically, for today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys a life update. I'm very excited because a lot of you guys have been asking for a life update, plus I've been meaning to do one for a while now. So now's the time. We're gonna be talking about driving, music, art, clothes, a lot of stuff. So you know what? Let's start with driving. The update on me driving is, yes, I am driving now. A lot of you have been asking if I started driving yet or if I have my permit or license or what's going on. So yes, I am driving. I have my permit. I finally passed my test. I'm sure you guys saw that video, how I failed it a few times, but I eventually got it, which is good. So yes, I have my permit. I am able to drive with my parents now, and I'm supposed to do like, it might be 50 hours or something like that with my parents. Then I'll do my final test with the driving school after like a couple driving lessons. But I have to do a lot of practice before I can actually get my license. I've been practicing a lot, like a couple times a week, as much as I can since we are pretty busy. So I always try to find time to practice driving because I want to be a good driver. I want to be a safe driver. I think that I will be a pretty decent driver, I have to say. But I always try to like go to the grocery store, or sometimes we'll practice at nighttime so there's not many cars, because then it's a little safer and not as stressful for my dad, because he's always like, oh, don't go in their lane, like all this, you know, because he always says that I always veer too much in the right lane and I need to go more left. Like every time, even like sometimes I don't notice, he's like, you're going right again. I'm like, sorry. If I had a favorite and a least favorite part of driving, that's kind of tricky, but if I had a favorite, I would probably say that I can like take myself places. Like if I wanted to run to the store really quick, but neither of my parents could take me, like I think it's cool that I would be able to drive myself, you know? And if I had a least favorite part, I have to say going on the freeway isn't my favorite yet. I guess it'll just take some more getting used to. So I guess I'll say that's my least favorite part of driving. Actually, I changed my mind. There's another thing I don't like about driving is like people who have road rage, especially since I like am a new driver and I drive slow. Like I'm always scared of people who might be like mad at me for driving too slow, or if they get road rage or anything like that, like not for me. Next, for my life update, I wanted to show you guys some cute new shirts that I got. Here is the first one. It's super cool. It's unlike shirts that I already have. It's kind of like new and fresh. It's like a really soft fabric too, but I really like this one. It's super comfortable actually. And I don't know if you guys saw this one yet, but one of my queen shirts, I can't believe I haven't worn it yet. It still has the tag on, but I really love this one, which by the way, I'm wearing a queen shirt right now. You might have already noticed. I like this one because it's like ombre purple to blue, super pretty. And my other one that I recently got, I just barely wore it yesterday because I was so excited about it, is this other queen shirt. It's like a really interesting design with all the colors and stuff, but I like this one. I have one more, I think it's in Wander right now, but it's like another purple one and pink. It's pretty cool. The third thing I'm going to talk to you guys about in my update is some art stuff. You know me, I'm an artist. I'm always doing art. I'm literally obsessed with art. Every day I have to draw or paint something. So I did want to show you one that I recently finished. I can't say it's all the way done. It's probably like 99.9% done. So if there's anything you see that needs to be fixed, please don't judge because it's not all the way done, but it is a teal snake. I do really like it so far. That's why it's still in the book though, because it's not quite finished. But here it is so far, you get to see. Something I recently discovered in art is actually mixed media. I know it's popular and a lot of people do it, but just me, myself, I've never really done it too much. So for this one in mixed media, I decided to do watercolor as a base and then color pencils for details. In case you don't know what mixed media is, it's when you put two or more art mediums together in the same project. Like some people could do like more like collage type art or acrylic with something else, stuff like that. But I figured out I really like doing watercolor as a base and then color pencil on top because it lets you do a lot more detailed work with a pencil instead of your paintbrush. And really quick, I was gonna show you guys this crystal I'm working on. Don't mind this blue tape. This is actually painter's tape that I put on here just so I can get a clean line on the edge, but I'm hoping it'll be done soon. Something about this is so embarrassing because I started this project in, I want want to say 2021, and it is 2023 now. So it's been like 2 years and I'm finally finishing it up, which is crazy. I can't believe like it just sat in my sketchbook doing nothing for 2 years and I'm finally finishing it. I mean, at least it'll be done soon. Speaking of art, I did want to show you guys, I recently bought a bunch of frames and put some of my favorite art pieces in them. This one is really recent, you probably haven't seen it yet, but it is a YouTube logo, but my style. So super pretty colors and rainbow. I really like this one, so pretty. Then we have Hana and Maui. I framed this one because it's just been a favorite of mine for a while now. I really like this one, it looks realistic, I love it. Then I decided to frame this dragon in my watercolor sketchbook. I finally framed this balloon dog. I'm sure you've all seen many times from, I think, 2021. And I also framed Hana and Maui in this cute little frame. This one's adorable. The only problem with all these frames is I didn't have a place to put them. My desk in my other room is completely filled with art already, and I really don't have room to put more frames there. That's what I've been thinking about. I was thinking that I might make a wall in my studio clear just so I can put my art on it. At first I thought this wall because it is pretty plain, but then I remembered about this plug outlet in the middle, so that wouldn't really work out. Plus I do a lot of videos here, so then you would see my art all the time, which isn't a bad thing, but I feel like this wall should maybe stay how it is because I also have this curtain that goes across. I was looking over here at my little orange section of my room, but it's kind of small. This is just for hand comparison. Like, it's not too small, but from far away, it would be really hidden in a corner, so I don't think I'm gonna do that wall. Of course, I still have my purple wall in the middle of my room, but I really like how this is right here, so I don't think I could remove that. Plus, I think this wall does look good plain. But then again, it could look really good with my art on it. I really don't know. This is a hard decision. Last but not least, the other option is to put them on this wall. This is my yellow wall of my room next to my door and my claw machine, and it is very big and plain, so I think this could be a good spot since there's literally nothing else over here. I think that could look pretty good. I'm not gonna hang those up right now though because I do have soccer soon, so I don't have too much time, but before I go to soccer, I was gonna show you a couple more things. And then when I get back, I'll put these on the wall, which I am so excited about. I think it's gonna look good, and I've been meaning to put these somewhere since they don't have a place on my desk. Anyways, I was gonna quickly show you guys what book series I'm reading right now, since you guys know I do like to read a lot. So the series I'm reading right now is the Red Queen series. I'm on this one right now, Glass Sword, and I also pre-ordered the next one, King's Cage. This is a pretty thick book. All of the books in this series have a lot of pages, but it's a really good book. The next thing I was gonna talk to you guys about before I have to run to soccer is music. So as you know, our family is super into music. Hold on, I feel like my hair's messy. I gotta brush it really fast. Anyways, we are super into music. We love music. As you can see, I love Queen, the band. They're awesome. But speaking of Queen, I love their songs, and I was thinking that we should learn some of their songs. So I kind of like listened to their songs that had harmony in them because they do a lot of really pretty harmonies, and I'm like, you know what? We can sing. We should try to do some of their harmonies. So I wrote them out in this book, and I was gonna show you guys. Let me show you guys this one first. This is Killer Queen. I don't know if you've heard of the song, but this is how I wrote it. I know it's not like anything professional like music staffs or anything because I was just too lazy to do that, but I still put the notes like color coded and the words. So that's how we've been learning some songs recently. I just like quickly write it out. I'll show you guys this next one too. Just write out all the harmony. This one's 3-part harmony, sometimes 4. And since there's 5 kids in our family who can sing, it's super fun to sing together and in harmony, either 3, 4, or 5-part harmony. It's like super cool. I also wrote out this one. This one's only 3-part harmony, but it'll be easy enough since it is 3-part harmony, and it'll still sound pretty cool. We've been doing a lot of these songs, either Queen songs or just other songs that have good harmony in them. We've done covers on them on our TikTok at Christine Pack. Go follow if you're not. It's our main account on TikTok. Plus I have 2 accounts. I have my main account and my art account, which are alyssa.always_art and alyssa.always. We're still working on these 3 songs that I wrote out in this little book. I don't know why it's an Apple book. I don't ask. Anyways, I'm excited to perform those when we finally have them ready. And you guys are gonna have to tell me if you have any song suggestions that have pretty harmonies in them that we could try to sing. I just checked the time. I gotta run to soccer right now, but as soon as I get back, I'll be hanging up all these picture frames. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys in a bit. Well, it's the next day. I said I was gonna hang up the frames last night,
but you were too tired.
Whoa, okay.
I like doing things when they're too tired.
That's true. So I'm gonna hang them up today with the help of my fabulous mom.
Right now.
That's true.
Especially for me because I had just gone to the gym myself last night. I didn't want to film.
Oh, well, that's
my
true.
Pajamas when she was baking me.
But we're gonna do it now. We have them set up in this pattern. This one's a little crooked.
Well, we have them like something else.
Yeah, I don't know.
But we're thinking like this because the wall's long and skinny.
Yeah, something like that I think would be good.
Okay.
First one going up.
Okay, that's gonna be
Got
there.
it. Nice.
Okay, the first one. Now the second one, let's do the dogs.
The dogs are gonna be next.
Okay, so this one, let's look at the back. Oh. Okay, hold that. Okay. We're gonna go right about there. I hope it works. Okay. Take the hammer. This one's gonna be hard to get on because it's one of these really annoying little tiny hooks. They're always really hard to get on. There we go.
Nice.
Now this one doesn't seem quite straight. You can put a little piece of tape behind it.
Cute.
It's a little trickier than it looks, isn't it?
Yeah.
Would you like me to help you?
Yeah, I think I got it. See?
That's a little crooked. We'll fix it. Okay. Okay, that right there.
Okay.
Okay, here.
Here.
Okay. When you hammer, you want to have your nails slightly angled up because it'll help hang the picture better.
Here's what I have so far. It's looking good.
Thanks to her mom.
Oh my gosh. Bye. I definitely plan on putting some more up here, like right here, maybe even down here. But this is what I have for now. I'll show you guys some of my other options though. I'm thinking about putting the parrot up. And I also want to put up this pretty fox. The only thing is these are kind of some cheap frames, so it's not super easy to hang them up. So we'll see what happens. But in the meantime, there's one more update I wanted to share with you guys. It is a cute update, an adorable update named Chloe. Guess what, you guys? Chloe has started walking. Oh, here she comes right now, making her grand entrance. Look at her. She's looking so pretty. Look at you walking around like a pro. Yeah. Are you getting really good at walking, Chloe? You can just walk everywhere now? Are you good at walking? Say hi, everybody. She has a lot of words to say. When we were on vacation, she started saying, "Where is she?" Because I was sleeping with my head under the blankets and she said, "Where is she?" And she also said, "Is she asleep?" Which is so random but so cute. She loves to babble now and she has so many words to say. It's really cute. Do you have a lot of words? Yeah, you do? Look at that cute smile. Hi. Oh no. Don't take your headband off. Oh no.
Okay.
What? Do you want me to put it back on for you?
Okay.
That's better. Now you have your headband on.
Blah.
Yeah. You want your pluggy? Whoa, are you okay? You were going a little too fast, huh? Wow, wow, wow. Here, you want this? Yeah? Yummy, huh? Are you talking to the puppy? She always has so much fun exploring my room. So much to see. Hi, Maui. Good boy. Oh, Maui's been such a nice boy lately. He's such a good doggy. That's my update of Maui. He always loves to come and visit me in my room. Oh, there's Chloe. Hi. Hi, Coco. Are you talking? You have so many words, huh? Oh, thank you. Did you give that to the doggy? That was so nice, Chloe. That was really kind. She's so giving. Did you find another? Whoa. Yeah, whoa. What are you doing? Oh, we found a third. You like those bears? Yeah? You want them both? Yeah? Thank you. Are you making a collection over here? Is that what it is?
Really?
Are you gonna give them to the doggy? No? Where are you gonna put them? Oh, she dropped them. Oh, she dropped them for her fluggy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Oh.
You like the pink one better? Silly baby. Well, everyone, say hi, Chloe. Uh-oh. Why'd you take your headband off? What? That's no excuse. You have to look pretty in that headband. She threw it on the floor.
What?
I am shocked. Yeah, I know. Anyways, I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys really like it. Maui's on high alert right now. Good boy, Maui. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.